I'm the girl you die for. I'll cheer you up and I'll spit you out, 'cause that's what your love is all about. So pull me closer and kiss me hard. I'm gonna pop your bubblegum hard. I'm in sugar.
Mall Fidget Haul. From the Poppet stand, I got this guitar Poppet. They actually let us touch all the Poppets, and this one was definitely my favorite. And it's loud on both sides. And from this store called Burlington, I found these two Poppets for only $4.99. Usually one Poppet is like $7 or $8, so this was such a good deal. Let's open them up. Here they are. The pink circle Poppet. Okay, quiet side. Oh my gosh. And the blue square Poppet. Whoa. This one's so nice. For only being $5, these are so worth it. And for Mind Games, I got Specs. This feels amazing. Lastly, I got a Squishmallow gummy. Bye!
Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever, said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life, why you walk out my life?
Fidget haul. Everything that I got from Five Below and the Dollar Tree is in this bag. I'm gonna start with everything that I got from the Dollar Tree. First up, I got a 2-pack of mochis. Look how cute. And the last thing I got from the Dollar Tree, which is probably the most exciting, are these Orbeez fruits. First up, we have this lime. Next is this strawberry. I love this one. And lastly, we have this banana, which is my favorite. If you ever see these at the Dollar Tree, get them. They are so worth it, and they're only $1. And here's everything I got from Five Below. I'm going to start with these pop tubes. I still can't believe I found these at Five Below. Let's open them. Here they are. Here's the lime one, the blue one, and the red one. Wow, these are long. I'm going to be opening these in part 2. Part 2 of everything I got from Five Below. Let's start with this mystery 5-pack of mochis. I got a couple of the layers off, so let's open the rest. Whoa. All the mochis came packaged, so let's open the first one. Oh my gosh, I got this really cute chicken. Next one. I got a cute turtle. Third one. This one's a panda, and it's my favorite animal, and it's also very shiny. Fourth one. Unicorn. And the last one. Cute pig. Now let's open up these micro mallows, which are basically like mini squishmallows. Pink capsule. The first one I got is this really cute purple cat. She's adorable. Here's the next one. I am freaking out. I got the deer. This is the one I wanted the most. Now let's open up the last capsule. So I got a duplicate, which is totally okay. I'll probably give this one to my sister. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Bye.
Bring your best friend to Michael Jackson, I'ma beat it. Game undefeated. She look good in that bikini, but the winter time, my favorite season. Frost, she gon' drop it in.